Here we go again, starting our week on a Tuesday instead of a Monday because it rained. Crazy amounts of rain yesterday, like you heard up in the Northeast. Crazy amounts. And plus it's wet today. Wet again today, so you guys come along with us today. At least it's not raining as bad, it's just that everything is wet. Yesterday was crazy amounts of rain. We're in southern Quebec here, so we got like the Northeast, what they got in the Northeast United States. And what we got the crazy amounts of rain. All right, I'll show you guys what we got going on here. Try to get some stuff in for you guys today. Look at all the stuff they got growing in here by the hedge. They must make their own wine. All right, on to the next one. We just got to the next one. I'll show you guys here a little bit before and after. I'll go up in the boom after and show you guys what we got going on. Stuff everywhere. So I guess we'll get a couple days in here without no rain. Worst season ever for the company of rain. Worst ever. All right. The boom vans are over on the other side there. Just give you guys a little look here. Give you guys an idea. A look from up in the boom. Just getting to the next one. We're not just getting here, we're almost done. Been kind of busy, don't have a lot of time to pull the camera out and film. All the guys are on the other side right now. That's a big wall, look at the guy. lot of big ones today, one after the other. Everyone's there though. That's the main thing, everyone is there. Look how good that looks. I'll go show you guys out back here. They got some synthetic grass out back. I'll go show you guys. A couple years ago, I guess we burnt the spot. Must be one of the guys put his machine down on the ground or something and we didn't know. So every year now they tell us, don't forget, we got the synthetic grass. I'll show you guys here. See this stuff here? So we got to be careful with it. All right, off to the next one. But here we have to do it all with ladder. We have to put our tarps down on the ground. I'll go move Brian back here. He just gave me the sign. So I'll just back him up. So I'll just show you guys here. See how it's not growing very well right here. It's because the trees, as usual. See this big pine tree here? Half dead. That's what caused all this. There must have been another one right over here somewhere. Then along the pool there, things look good. All right, everyone, we'll bring you guys along as usual. Show you guys what we get done. We did 5 already, right in a row. 10 o'clock right now. All right, you guys, we're just finishing this one up. Look, we got the magic sticker. We did the neighbor this week. So when the neighbor saw that we did his other neighbor, he called us. He said, can you come and do us? Hadn't been done for 2 years. A little bit complicated out back here just because it's not very thick. It's hard to put the ladder. We have to use the apple orchard step ladders, this 12-footer, because that's about 18 feet, I'd say. I'd say between 17 and 18 feet high. Show you guys the neighbor. We did the neighbor earlier this week. Everyone's got their pools going. Saying it's gonna be warm starting Saturday, Sunday next week. We're gonna be around 80, 85 all week. All right. Nice weather is gonna be nice. Some warm weather. You gotta get the heaters going on the pools. Warm them up. I noticed a lot of the heaters are going on pools today. All right, let's go to the next one. Working hard. All right, everyone, look at how good this looks here. We're just finishing up. I'm gonna clean it up. I'll show you guys out back here. Looks really good. Gonna go do some boom van. I got a couple guys starting. I don't think they'll be back next week unless they'll be back midweek. They said they'd be back at the beginning of June. Could be good when they get back. Help us out. I got a top guy and a new guy. We're gonna put them on Yo extensions. Beautiful day today. All right, let's go get in the boom. See what we can do. What we can do for damage. We do out back there later on in the season. That's the neighbor. So like I said, we're in the borough of Rock Forests in the town of Sherbrooke. So you see how much we're going to be taking off here. Let me go down here and show you guys. But this one, you see we cut it in the spring. See how much it grows in the spring? Look at that. Got some of them that are over a foot long. All right, I'll bring you guys along. All right, everyone, here we go. This big one here we're doing. See the guys down over there. See Brian down there. I'm coming along here. You see the boys over there with the ladder. Got to do with the ladder because we don't know. We can't do any boom van over there. So we've got the van going here. The other one down there. The other boys are coming up along here. Check of the weather. I think today's going to be 22, about 72 Fahrenheit. All right, we finished this one up. We're doing the neighbors now. I wanted to show you guys. Look at this nice lilac here. Look at that. Look how nice that is. I was just telling the customer here, he's got to be careful. He emptied out his spa right here. That's what's doing all this is his hedges. And then on top of that, he emptied out his pool right here. So look at the hedges here. I told him you can't do that. I go try to make it all the way to the street. The street is just on the other side there. You see how nice everything is green everywhere is here. But he said he emptied out the pool right there. That's a no-no for cedar hedges, chlorine or salt water or any stuff like that. Nothing's good for that. All right, over at the neighbors here. See, we were just over there across the street. We just cut some branches, did her cedar. She came and asked us. She goes, can you do it while you're there? I said, yeah. We have time, we'll take care of it for you. There we go, look how good that looks. She's got a little garden right there. All right, let's go to one last one. All right, this big one here. It's not that it's long, it's just high. We're gonna come back up this apple tree here. It looks really good. All right, you guys. See you guys next one. Adios, amigos.